How to fix Android Auto not working. First up, open your settings. Right in the middle, go ahead and tap on Connection and Sharing. Scroll down a little bit until you see Android Auto and give that a tap. Now, if you look at the top, click on Connect a Vehicle. Sometimes the phone just needs a manual reminder that it's supposed to talk to your car's dashboard. Once you do that, hit the back arrow and look for Start Android Auto automatically. Tap that and make sure it's set to either Always or Default set by the vehicle. If it's set to Never, that's exactly why it's been ignoring your car. Alright, next part. Go all the way back to your main settings page, scroll down and tap on App Management. Then click on App List to see everything installed on your phone. Find Android Auto and tap it to open the app info screen. From here, click on Permissions. Look through this list and make sure you allow all of them, especially location, phone, and nearby devices. If Android Auto doesn't have access to these, it will literally block itself from starting up for safety reasons. Now, hit the back button once. At the top, you're going to see a button that says Force Stop. Tap it, and then tap Force Stop again when the pop-up asks if you're sure. This completely kills any frozen background processes. Right below that, tap on Storage Usage. You'll see two options at the bottom, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap both of them. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal photos or texts. It just wipes out the temporary junk files that might be corrupted. Last step, hold down your power button and completely restart your phone. Once it boots back up, take it out to your car, plug it in with a good quality USB cable, and you should be totally good to go. If this helped you out, hit that like button so I know it worked for you. See ya!